Hi, good morning. It's week 55 of renovations here at the Belfast Community Co-op. So I was away this past week at a Consumer Cooperative Management Association conference in Portland, Maine, which was wonderful, and we had a lot of visitors at the store from folks from other co-ops across the country. So that was a really exciting week. Coming back to the store, there was a lot that was done this week, all in preparation of our grand opening on the 21st. So we keep pushing ahead, and I'll try to show you some of what was done, and then we'll talk a little bit about what's coming up in the coming week. All right, slowly but surely, the store is coming together. Some of the temp walls came down this past week. We're trying to build the new shelving. It's becoming more and more difficult to run the grocery store in the midst of all the construction, but we're getting there. Hopefully by the end of this week, we'll have all of our new shelving up and we'll be ready for our big delivery next week. So that wraps up week 55. The rest of this week, next week, the following week, it's a mad dash to the finish line. There's so much that we still have to do, and it doesn't feel like enough time to finish it before the grand opening, but we're going to do our darndest, and hopefully everything will go well. So thank you all so much for continuing to shop at the co-op, and I can't wait to bring you this new store. So, all right, we'll see you in the aisles.